Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off Enter to Send on Emo. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in your device. Then tap on Profile icon. Next, tap on Settings. After that, tap on Functions. Then you can see the option of Enter to Send. Turn off it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn off Enter to Send on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.